farther out or farther in. Like for example, this turn further, it's that way.
Today we're in Sturgis. You can't believe they're racing on Main Street.
There it is. Look at me dirt here to do a foot down full lock turn. Even though it's slow, it's at least that, right? Yeah, I mean, you have to maintain the flow, otherwise it'll become a parking lot, right?
Yeah, so it'll be literally a stop.
Now, how's your thought about, because I don't know if you guys talked about
Hey guys, Brian Smith here, out here at the downtown Sturgis, testing out the track for the Sturgis TT. Laying out the course, doing a little test ride today. Pretty cool to be able to wheelie a race bike down Main Street in Sturgis, something that normally you'd get arrested for, but we had the cops watching and giving me the thumbs up today. So it was cool to kind of see where the starting line's gonna be, first turn. You know, the main goal here is to give the fans the best racing, and without me coming here and riding, we can't set up the track properly to give the fans the best show, to create the most passing, the fastest track that's still safe. And then, of course, there'll be a dirt section here with a small jump, so we got to determine where that's going to be. You know, there's a bunch of left-hand corners, which is common for flat track, but this is, you know, 80% asphalt, which is uncommon for flat track. But man, it's a ton of fun. Turn 2, there's a big rise. You go up a hill and back down a hill to turn 2, and it's the funnest corner on the track. It reminds me of Laguna Seca, the carousel there, where you go up and the elevation drop. You know, it's a lot of supermoto vibes, but we're going to put enough dirt out here to make this feel like a flat track. Through the bank parking lot here, onto the final turn that's right by the Sturgis Hotel. People can stay in their balconies of their rooms and overlook the final corner where all the action will happen for the run down to Main Street finish line in Sturgis, South Dakota. Yep, so it should get me out just a little bit.
that way.
Let me try that.
And it's a subtle, it's going to be subtle, right?
Yep.
So leave it there.
Yep.
My name's Cameron Gray, C-A-M-E-R-O-N-G-R-A-Y. I'm the Director of Sales and Partnerships for AMA Pro Racing with the American Flat Track Series. So we're out here today testing our new revised short track for our inaugural Sturgis TT that will race downtown right through Main Street on Sunday, August 11th, the last day of the rally. and we're super excited to be here. We had our 2016 Grand National Champion Brian Smith out here with our full team to basically fine-tune this race course today, and I think they really did a good job of looking at different aspects. And looking in here, we're standing in the dirt parking lot, which will be the First Interstate Bank, which will be an awesome segment, and Brian and David worked pretty hard to make sure the flow was good. And our goal is to have a super safe racetrack and fantastic racing for the fans. It hasn't been finalized, but we can't have any race engines start till on Sunday until noon, and we'll go to about 6 p.m. with about a 6-hour show. And exciting thing is you can tune on to Flow Racing, which is kind of the king of dirt track coverage. We've moved to them this year, and they've been a fantastic partner. And then we go to the following Saturday, August 17th. We will have a Fox Sports 1 show at 1 p.m. Eastern, which will kind of be, we call it a pre-show. And then you'll go over to our first ever in history of Flat Track, our Fox Broadcast Network TV premiere, which will be August 17th, Saturday at 2 p.m. We will also have 2 replays later that evening, so it's going to be awesome coverage. We're bringing Flat Track to millions of people, not only live in Sturgis, but also live in homes on Fox Network, Fox Sports 1, and Flow.